pimples drop away. I'm gonna be doing it with my mom, so it's like daughter, mom, bomb time. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a face mask. Come on over.
Okay. So, it really is a super simple face mask. It's all natural, all natural.
You're gonna need honey, bam,
Honey.
some sugar.
And this is turmeric powder. You can find it at your grocery store. We're gonna be using this little applicator. Have a little plate to mix it all in. And little
spoon.
mixy spooner. Okay?
Guys, are you excited? I'm so excited.
So first, Ellie,
Yes.
let's pour in the,
Honey.
okay, the honey, go for it.
Which one are you supposed to put in?
Yeah, go for it, the honey. We're using 2 tablespoons of honey.
There.
Pour it all in, like that. It's all natural, organic. Well, this one is a wildflower honey.
Can you lick it?
No, I'm not gonna lick it. You could lick it, because it's all natural. You could actually eat it.
Eat this? The face mask?
Yeah, you could eat it. All these are natural ingredients.
Edible face mask.
Go, add the next thing.
Sugar.
Sugar. And the turmeric.
Give it some flavor. Ooh,
Some
I love it.
cool color too. Okay, mix it up.
Time to mix. I can't believe this is edible.
Okay, so look, this is the viscosity that you want it.
Yeah.
Like that. You know, it's kind of...
Time to get the fish in.
Okay, now let's put this on our face.
Oh, and can I do you?
We'll see. Okay,
You
so
guys ready?
take the glasses off.
She's gonna do me,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna do her.
We'll see, we'll see.
I wanna do her, you guys.
Let me see. Look at mama.
Look at me.
Stop eating it. Why don't you eat this and see how it tastes with turmeric?
You do it first.
No, I'm gonna try it. Well, you only leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes, and then you just wash it off with warm water. Turn around. You want to leave it like that, or do you want to put more? You want to put some on your forehead?
No.
On your chin? No?
I'm good.
You're good like that? Okay.
Can I do it to you now?
Okay, fine. Let me put my hair up.
Oh my.
Okay, but just like you, okay? My cheeks and my nose. And you let me put it on your chin?
I'll let you put on my forehead. I'll let you put on my forehead.
No, come on.
Fine, chin.
No, let me do your whole face then.
And then I have to do your whole face.
Okay. Hi, Jude. We're doing a face mask.
I know, but please.
It looks really good. It looks super cool. Look over there. Look at her. Beautiful turmeric queen.
I'm
Okay.
gonna do. Yeah.
Are you ready for this? Okay, let's do this. Here, like this.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start off with the cheeks. I know you're gonna go.
No, that's not the point. Come on, you're gonna drip.
Okay.
Ah! Ellie, you need to pay attention to what you're doing, because if not, you're just gonna make a mess.
That's what I am.
You're not a mess. Ja, ja. I feel like you're just slamming this on me. This is really hard without a mirror. Here, you wanna help me?
Yes.
Oh, it's kind of spicy. Don't try it. Hold on, you're gonna drip.
Okay, because I'm gonna do it now.
You got
What?
face mask all over the spatula.
I think I want to start with
You are loving this?
that.
Ah! Don't get it on my hair!
I'm always gonna be your makeup person.
Oh yeah, I don't know about that. Your makeup skills are kind of flimsy. Go look, you have a ton there. Oh my goodness, you put it in the same spot. Oh, you keep getting it in my hair. I feel it.
I didn't forget the nose, did I?
No. Did you?
No.
Obviously not. Hold on, you're gonna drip. Don't move.
Oh, it's your face.
Your face is dripping.
Oh.
Come here, because if not, it's gonna drip. Why do you move away?
It feels weird. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh.
Well, the sugar is actually to scrub your face, so you could scrub it. You could even do it with your hand if you don't have a little spatula. Thingy-majiggy. Okay, fine, put it on my nose. I know you're dying to.
Woo.
No.
Try it again.
It smells spicy, but it's great for your skin. Turmeric has a lot of great properties to it. I read a bunch of it, but right now I can't think of any. Mom brain. Not in my eye!
Not in your eye.
You got too close to my eye, you crazy girl. Look, there's wipes right behind you.
Oh.
Because I'm a prepared mom and I figured this could get messy. I mean, it is honey. Did you connect it?
Yeah.
Right here in my unibrow? Oh my gosh.
What?
I got some in my hair. Look how I look cross-eyed. You want to do it?
I'm loving it.
Oh, goodness gracious. You're putting so much on me. Do we look fabulous?
You look horrible. I look fabulous.
I look fabulous. Well, we're definitely gonna have fabulous skin after this. And like I said before, not that we may need this or anything, but you know, it's just taking care of our beautiful skin that God gave us and God gave you and God gave everybody. And we just need to take care of what we have so that it lasts a long time
Oh my goodness,
and
mommy.
stays looking beautiful. Ooh, it's itchy on my nose.
It is your mind.
Oh,
It is your my nose.
it kind of looks like I'm picking my nose.
You're making it now.
I didn't put it like on your nose, like here. Why am I taking it off my nose from there?
Oh my goodness.
All right.
This is my nose. It's my nose.
A spot my no. I'm think I'm pretty good.
No. That's what you miss.
Okay, here.
Do you?
Be gentle. Oh my God, that's so close to my eye. Yeah, no more. Yeah, okay. I feel it dripping on my nose. It feels like boogers. And you put too much.
You're making it now.
Okay, let's see. Let's count now. 20 minutes, just let's say, took us
1,
like
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 21 minutes.
20 minutes, not 20
17, 18,
seconds.
19, 20.
20 minutes, not 20 seconds. Hold on. And then,
I feel like it's dripping.
stop it. Let me see. Not dripping. Let's say it took you like 10 minutes to put it on my face, right? So just another 10 more minutes and we'll wash it off, and I'll wait like 20 minutes. I'll leave it on for 30 minutes. And
Mommy, so we have
we'll show you our beautiful faces.
Okay.
So my face is dripping and it looks like I have honey like from Winnie the Pooh.
Okay, let me show you about me.
Actually, it tastes pretty good.
This was after,
Before,
and this is after.
now that her face is nice and washed, we put a little bit of coconut oil on it to keep moisture on it, and we're good. Lick it. It actually tastes good.
Lick her face, lick it.
No,
Look at
no, he's naked. He can't be in the shot.
Look, Effie, look.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. You should try it at home and tell us what you think about these results.